Putin vows support to North Korea after devastating floods. AFP. Russian President Vladimir Putin has offered condolences to North Korean counterpart Kim Jong-un over our devastating floods that caused untold casualties and damaged thousands of homes, the Kremlin said. It said on Saturday that there were no casualties at all in the Sinwiju area, the region Pyongyang claimed suffered the greatest flood damage. Below are your comments. Looks like you need 3 guys sitting on the opposite side of the raft from Kim to keep it afloat. Imagine the nerve to control that inflated lifeboat with Kim and high-level party members on board. Life sentence if he messed up or someone gets splashed. That's kind of funny. I remember a lot of videos when the dam burst in Orsk and everybody complaining the government wasn't doing anything. If Putin sends that kind of help to North Korea, they'll have what they started with, nada. North Korea has to have one of the best propaganda and spin agencies on the planet. The picture of Kim Jong-un in the rib, with at least 2 bodyguards and others guards in the following inflatables is hilarious. When his people were starving to death a few years ago and he continued to put 80% of his country's resources into the military showed he doesn't care about his people. The flood was perfect. It was a perfect flood. A lot of people tell me that. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.